Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Imagine this for a moment. A 70-year-old Shaolin monk moves with more agility and control than many athletes half his age. No complicated machines, no surgeries, no expensive supplements, just a handful of simple movements practiced for centuries. For over 1,500 years, Shaolin monks refined a set of movements designed to keep the body flexible, strong, and resilient as the years pass. And today, we're going to walk through 6 of those movements that can help restore mobility and reduce stiffness in everyday life. Welcome to Health Fact 10M, where we explore practical health knowledge in a clear and realistic way. Let's begin with the first movement. 1. Cat-cow spine wave. At first glance, this movement almost looks too simple to be effective. But many people who try it regularly say it quickly becomes one of their favorite daily mobility exercises. Start on your hands and knees. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Now take a slow breath in. As you inhale, allow your belly to drop gently toward the floor. Lift your chest slightly and tilt your tailbone upward. This position is called the cow. Then slowly breathe out. As you exhale, round your entire back toward the ceiling. Bring your chin toward your chest and tuck your tailbone under. This position is the cat. Move slowly between these two positions. 1 full breath per movement. Repeat this cycle about 10 times, focusing on smooth and controlled motion. Why this movement matters. Modern lifestyles often keep us sitting for long hours. Whether it's working at a desk, driving, or looking down at our phones, the upper back gradually becomes rounded and stiff. This area of the spine, called the thoracic spine, contains 12 vertebrae that play a major role in posture and breathing. When the thoracic spine becomes stiff, it can affect several parts of the body. Breathing can feel shallow. The lower back may take on extra strain. The shoulders and neck often develop chronic tension. Gentle spinal movements like the cat-cow wave help reintroduce motion into this region. Over time, many people notice improved posture and easier breathing when this movement becomes a daily habit. Shaolin practitioners have long treated spinal mobility as a foundation for long-term health. A flexible spine supports nearly every other movement your body performs. Try doing this exercise each morning. It only takes about 90 seconds, but it can make the rest of the day feel noticeably better. 2. The low dragon stretch. Now let's talk about something many people overlook: tight hip flexors. When we sit for long periods, the muscles at the front of the hips shorten and tighten. These muscles connect the spine to the legs, so when they become stiff, they can influence posture, walking mechanics, and lower back comfort. The Shaolin tradition includes a stretch often called the low dragon, which targets this area directly. Here's how to do it. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position. Lower your left knee to the floor behind you. Now slowly shift your hips forward. You should feel a stretch running from the front of your left hip down through the upper thigh. Hold this position for about 45 seconds, breathing slowly and relaxing into the stretch. Then switch sides. Why this stretch is important. Tight hip flexors can tilt the pelvis forward, placing extra pressure on the lower back and sometimes contributing to discomfort in the knees and hips. Many people try to address those symptoms without realizing the root issue often begins at the front of the hips. Consistent stretching in this area can help restore balance to the pelvis and improve overall movement patterns. Shaolin monks incorporated this stretch into their daily routine not just for flexibility, but as a way to counteract the physical stress of everyday activities. Try performing this stretch on both sides each day if possible. 3. The deep squat hold. Next, let's return to one of the most natural human positions, the deep squat. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width and turn your toes outward slightly. Now lower yourself slowly until your hips drop below your knees. Keep your heels on the ground if possible. If they lift up, placing a small towel under them can help while you build ankle mobility. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and gently press your elbows against the inside of your knees to open your hips. Hold this position for about 60 seconds. And breathe. Why the deep squat matters. Before modern furniture existed, people around the world regularly rested in deep squats while eating, working, or socializing. In many cultures where this position is still common today, mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles tends to remain strong well into older age. The deep squat simultaneously stretches the hips, inner thighs, calves, and lower back. It also helps maintain one of the body's fundamental movement patterns. With consistent practice, many people find that this position gradually becomes easier and more comfortable again. 4. Lateral hip mobility. The Cossack movement. Most stretching routines focus only on forward and backward movement. But our bodies also need side-to-side mobility. This next movement addresses that often ignored direction. Stand with your feet much wider than your shoulders. Shift your weight toward your right foot and slowly bend that knee while lowering your hips toward your right heel. Your left leg stays extended to the side with the toes pointing upward. Pause briefly at the bottom, then shift your weight to the other side. Move slowly from side to side for about 10 repetitions. Why lateral movement matters. Daily life requires us to step sideways, change direction, and stabilize the body from different angles. When lateral mobility is limited, other joints often compensate. This movement stretches the inner thighs while strengthening the hips and improving balance. Shaolin martial arts involve movement in all directions, which helps maintain balanced mobility throughout the body. 5. The spinal twist. Another area that often becomes restricted over time is spinal rotation. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and place your right foot outside your left thigh. Place your left elbow against the outside of your right knee. Now gently rotate your upper body to the right while keeping your spine tall. Use your right hand behind you for support. Hold this position for about 45 seconds, breathing deeply. Then switch sides. Why rotation matters. We rotate our spine during many everyday tasks, reaching behind us, turning while driving, or looking over our shoulder. If this mobility gradually disappears, the body may compensate by overusing the neck or lower back. Gentle rotational movements like this help maintain balanced motion throughout the spine. Shaolin practitioners often describe smooth spinal rotation as similar to silk being unwound, continuous and fluid without sudden restriction. 6. The standing wave. The final movement is unique. It isn't a traditional stretch. Instead, it's a flowing movement that travels through the entire body. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and relax your knees slightly. Begin by gently bending and straightening your knees. Allow that motion to travel upward through the hips, spine, shoulders, and arms, like a wave moving through your body. Keep the movement soft and continuous. Continue for about 90 seconds. Why this movement works. While static stretches target individual muscles, flowing movements stimulate the body's connective tissue network, often called fascia. This network links muscles throughout the entire body. Gentle rhythmic movement can help the body relax and shift the nervous system toward a calmer state, which may make other mobility exercises feel more effective. Shaolin monks traditionally ended their training sessions with this type of flowing motion to help the body reset. Here's the full routine. Cat-cow spine wave, 10 slow cycles. Low dragon stretch, 45 seconds per side. Deep squat hold, 60 seconds. Lateral Cossack movement, 10 reps. Spinal twist, 45 seconds per side. Standing wave, 90 seconds. The entire routine takes about 15 minutes. Practicing these movements 3 to 4 times per week can help maintain flexibility and improve how the body feels during daily activities. One important reminder: mobility doesn't disappear simply because we age. Often, it fades because we gradually stop using the full range of movement our bodies were designed for. When we begin moving those ranges again, slowly and consistently, the body often responds in surprising ways. These movements aren't about perfection. They're about rebuilding a healthy relationship with motion. And that's exactly what we focus on here at Health Fact 10M, simple habits that support long-term health. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who spends long hours sitting or dealing with stiffness.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.